Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at Spectrum TV, Directv and YouTube TV to see which one is better. So I have here a list with different features. Now if we take a look at the delivery method, Spectrum TV and Directv are both broadcasting using a satellite, but on YouTube it's internet streaming and you need to have good internet. Now the pricing, it starts from $60 up to $100 on Spectrum, and on DirecTV $65, and the premium channels cost extra. And as you can see on YouTube it's 65 with add-ons. So maybe you want to get a specific TV series or channel, you can pay for that. And on the difference between these two and YouTube is that these ones require a contract, rental fees for equipment, and on YouTube you just need a smart TV to basically be able to watch over 85 channels including major networks, sports and news. So overall I think YouTube is the right choice based on the price and the channels they offer, and they also offer an offer here, as you can see, a discount until July, so you can simply go to their websites and see the offer. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.